Hey you guys, it's Jamie from Lady May-ruh-key Designs. Welcome back to my channel. Today, my baby goes meets his teacher. So I'm about to just do a really quick get ready with me. It's going to kind of be like a vlog because I'm going to follow him around while we meet his teacher. So excited. So I'm just going to hop right into it. If I have something to say, I'll say it. If not, this will be a time lapse. I will say, I'm so excited. And he's excited too. He's excited to... I just can't believe my baby is 4. It's insane. It is really, really insane. And I'm gonna have the mirror up here because, like, obviously I'm blind AF, so if this bothers you, I don't know what to say. I just put on a primer. I've had this thing forever. Not a tutorial. Are you gonna focus? Am I focused or is that I'm so unfocused in my own brain, but that's the kind of primer I use. I love it. Had it forever. If y'all know something that's better, let me know. It's really dirty. That's what I use. Oh. That's what I use. Another, use it forever. Don't really know any better. Got it from my drugstore. Yo, my baby about to be his teacher. My husband was like, "You're gonna cry." I'm like, I'm not gonna cry. You're gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. Where's all my brushes? It's already on my hand. I'm just gonna use my fingers. It is what it is, okay? So, it is what it is. Y'all don't judge me. My kids probably got in my makeup because what's mine is theirs, obviously. Sometimes I have to remind them, I'm like, you know that's mine, right? Like, everything in your room, that's yours. Everything in this room is mine. They don't know. I need both hands. Y'all don't come for me about my makeup, okay? Don't, just, it's okay. It's okay. Okay. I will say, it's been a long time since I've used my hands, but it's gonna get the job done, okay? Not too bad, not too bad. Use this. Cover up my mama bags. Boop. Boop. Should I put on... I don't have any brushes. I was gonna put on some eyeshadow, but my brushes are somewhere in this house. So I guess eyeliner, lashes, brows. Sound good? Sound good. I'm gonna do this. I don't even have my eyebrow brush. You guys, y'all want some children? What am I gonna do with them? Can't have nothing. When you become a mom, you don't get nothing. That's okay. I love my little boogers. Not too bad. If y'all are interested, I'm using CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow Draw and Fill. I actually just got this. As you can see, I already lost the cap. It is what it is. It is what it is. Okay? Okay. Lashes. Oh. You know, I think I'm just going to skip eyeliner and I'm just going to wear my black eyelash glue. You know, just knock a bird out. What is it? What is it saying? Knock 2 birds with 1 stone. Boom. Oh my gosh, I can't see. I can't see. Do a little. Y'all do this? Kind of like curves it. Oh, this is the wrong lash. Wrong eye. Okay, this one. She bad. She bad. She bad. Okay, other eye. Okay. She bad. She bad. Y'all don't do like me. Okay. You know what? I ain't even gonna do that. I ain't even gonna do it. Usually, like, I'll go in my, I don't know, like my waterline on the top. And I'll put black. But I'm only gonna have these lashes on for like 3 hours, so. Plus, I got my glasses on. So I ain't worried. I'm not worried. I am not worried. I am not worried. I'm not worried. Yeah, so I don't know how to contour. I don't have any blush. I'm about to just put something on my lips. And that's it. These are all, I got like, I try not to put too much on my face because my skin is like really acne prone. I'm like 27, still have problems with acne. So, I'm trying not to put too much on it. But yeah, let's put something on these lips. These old crusty dusties. Let's see. I actually have a lip gloss behind me. I'll make sure there's no... I knew something was weird. I knew something was weird. Why is my camera doing that? I'm like looking down like this. I'm just gonna have to get a new tripod. It is what it is. Okay. These are my testers. Ooh, she cute. Oh, I don't know why I'm putting on a lip gloss. I'm gonna have a mask on. Whatever. Ooh, she cute. This is my watermelon gloss. Ain't she cute? Sorry, I'm looking in the viewfinder. Okay. Ooh, she cute. She cute. She cute. Ooh, she... Oh, let me stop. Let me stop before I break it. Ooh, you stop. Oh, you stop. Hey, dude. What's up?
What's up? What are you doing?
Nothing. What's she doing?
Just watching number dogs.
I wish this thing would stay. Come here.
What?
Up.
What?
Up.
What?
Up.
What?
Ma'am.
Meow?
Up.
Meow?
There you go.
I will take a video.
Hi.
Welcome to my video. We're going to tell about where, Mama,
What?
sing a song about Mickey Mouse.
Oh, I'll get copyrighted.
Huh?
Huh?
What is that?
I'm gonna get copyrighted. How about you make up your own song?
How about Bubbles SquarePants?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Ready? Set. Go.
Are you ready?
Oh. My little booger snooger wooger looger.
Are you ready?
Guess what you know what we're doing today?
What?
You tell me.
We're doing the movie all day long.
No, what are we doing today?
We're
Blue, tell the camera what we're doing today.
We're doing.
Are we going to meet your teacher?
Yes.
Yeah. Tell the camera how excited you are.
I am very excited.
Very.
Yep. And our timer's almost at 1. We need 10 more videos. Huh? And it is always.
Talk about today.
It's the best day ever.
It's the best day ever.
Let's sing SpongeBob SquarePants. Are you ready?
Aye, aye, Captain.
I can hear you.
Aye, Captain.
Oh.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
Let's sing together. Are you ready?
Blue.
Aye, Cap. What?
Come on, we're talking. We're telling the camera how we feel. How do you feel today?
Happy.
You happy?
Yes. What's your feeling about?
Show the camera your hair. Look down.
Look
Look down. Look, I need to redo his hair.
Look at my hair, camera. And look, I can do this. You can see my eyes.
No. Dude,
Hey!
who turned off the light?
How you did like it? What's it? See?
You're so funny. What are you doing? Don't even want to see your nips.
Mama, look.
What? Are you? What's in there?
Baby. Gaga.
What's in there?
Gaga. She's a baby.
You think you funny? Ain't no babies around here. All right, you ready to go start getting dressed?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Okay, bye.
Bye. Hi, welcome to my video. We're going to play Zombies versus Plants. So, I be a zombie and Mama be a plant. Okay, let's play. Okay, Mama, you please put me down. There. Now,
I'm a plant. I'm a plant.
here comes a zombie.
I'm throwing stuff at you, zombie. No, I'm gonna get you. I got you.
A lot of zombies are too powerful. They're too powerful.
Oh no! I'm gonna get eaten by the zombies! He's getting closer! I'm throwing stuff and it's not working!
You need to be a potato.
Oh, I'm a potato.
I'm going to eat your potato.
I'm a potato.
I am a zombie.
I'm a potato.
I'm getting closer. Closer and closer.